English to Gujarati travel words: way, direction, distance, entrance and more in
Gujarati.
Welcome to the Lost Tourist Club. Hey, you are in the right place. Today you will learn Gujarati travel words while following the most dramatically confused tourist in history. Our hero steps out of a hotel, looks left, looks right, looks emotionally upward, and asks, "Where is the way?" In Gujarati, way is
Marg.
Then the hero asks for the right direction. Direction is
Disha.
A local points kindly, but our hero also asks, "What is the distance?" Distance is
Antar.
So now you already have three powerful words.
Marg. Disha.
And
Antar.
a very serious street adventure. Picture the scene with me. You are walking through a city, and confidence is high even though accuracy is low. You say, "Please show me the
Marg.
Very useful, very elegant, much better than spinning in a circle. A giant arrow points in one.
Disha.
But your brain points in three different directions. That is normal. Learning is messy. You ask, "What is the
Antar.
to the station?" If the answer is long, smile bravely and pretend your shoes are heroic. Then you reach a busy
Choraho.
an intersection where roads meet and everybody suddenly acts like a philosopher choosing destiny. A friend says, "Turn left at the."
Choraho.
You nod like a map expert. Inside, a tiny accordion of panic plays. Tiny word, big brain trick. Now let us sneak in one clever language word. This one is not about roads, but it is great for real life and study. The word abbreviation in Gujarati is
Sankshep.
Think of a huge word going on a diet and becoming a neat little.
Sankshep.
If someone says a short form like NGO or USA, you can remember.
Sankshep.
Small word, big usefulness. Inside the building, new problems. Congratulations, you survived the street. Naturally, the confusion now moves indoors. You enter a hall and someone says, "Wait at the entrance." Entrance is
Praveshadwar.
You hear, "The bag is in the corner." Corner is
Khuno.
So if you need a very specific treasure hunt sentence, you can imagine, "Wait at the."
Praveshadwar.
Then look in the
Khuno.
quote. Perfect for spies, tourists, and people who lose chargers. And yes, there is always something suspiciously dusty in the
Khuno.
Language learning is realism. Where does it all begin? Every adventure needs a beginning. Even a bad adventure with wrong turns needs a starting point. Starting point in Gujarati is
Sharuatnu sthal.
Imagine a race, a trip, or a plan. It all begins at the
Sharuatnu sthal.
You can think, no journey, no drama, no accidental snack shop detour without a
Sharuatnu sthal.
quick dialogue drill. Now you listen and repeat in your mind, or out loud if no one is judging you. And if they are judging you, impress them anyway. A. Show me the way. B. This.
Marg.
A. Is this the right direction? B. Yes, this
Disha.
is correct. A. What is the distance? B. The
Antar.
is not much. A. Where do I turn? B. At the
Choraho.
A. Where is the entrance? B. The
Praveshadwar.
is on the left. A. Where is the chair? B. In the
Khuno.
A. Where do we begin? B. At the
Sharuatnu sthal.
A. What does NGO mean? B. It is a
Sankshep.
mini quiz, maximum drama. Let us test your memory. No pressure. Just you, your brain, and 8 words waiting with tiny clipboards. What is the Gujarati word for way?
Marg.
What is the Gujarati word for direction?
Disha.
What is the Gujarati word for distance?
Antar.
What is the Gujarati word for abbreviation?
Sankshep.
What is the Gujarati word for corner?
Khuno.
What is the Gujarati word for intersection?
Choraho.
What is the Gujarati word for starting point?
શરૂઆતનું સ્થળ.
What is the Gujarati word for entrance?
પ્રવેશદ્વાર.
Friendly conclusion. You did it. You made it through roads, doors, corners, and one very educational identity crisis at the intersection. Today you practiced way,
માર્ગ.
direction,
દિશા.
distance,
અંતર.
abbreviation,
સંક્ષેપ.
corner,
ખૂણો.
intersection,
ચોરાહો.
starting point,
શરૂઆતનું સ્થળ.
and entrance.
પ્રવેશદ્વાર.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, repeat the words again tomorrow, and soon asking for directions in Gujarati will feel much easier.